This electric fireplace heater is specially created for recessed mounting in walls. It perfectly fits into almost every television stand, fireplace wall, bookshelf, and entertainment center. The sleek look and minimalist style make the unit coordinate with your decor well. Ideal for home, office, or anywhere heat and ambience is needed. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Realistic and vivid flame effect. Amaze your guests with the lifelike flames of this in-wall electric fireplace. The high-performance LED lights can produce an incredibly realistic and colorful flame effect. 3 different flame colors and 5 flame brightness settings to suit your various needs. Number 2. Multiple operation modes. Equipped with wireless remote control and touchscreen control panel for great convenience. The 0 to 8 hours timer, 2 heat settings, thermostat control, flame color, and power off. All above functions can be easily achieved by both remote control and touchscreen, meeting your personal needs. Number 3. Energy-saving heater with timer and thermostat. 2 heat settings, high 1,500 watts and low 750 watts, can be adjusted accordingly to achieve energy saving, heating up to 400 square feet for the entire room. The thermostat can control the room temperature from 62 degrees Fahrenheit to 82 degrees Fahrenheit to suit the user's preference. The countdown timer can be set to turn off the fireplace from 1 hour to 8 hours. Number 4. Reliable safety and superior comfort. ETL certification recognizes it as a safety device to be used indoor. The overheat protection system will shut off the heater automatically if it is overheating. The heat is good for maintaining the natural humidity for optimal comfort, and the fireplace will not produce harmful smoke and is safe for people and pets, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.